Hi everybody, Mr. Mahar here with another video on your Introduction to Romeo and Juliet unit. What I'm going to be doing today is going over the resources that I've posted alongside this video so that you are able to navigate through the play of Romeo and Juliet with ease and without any stress. So the first thing that I've done is I have posted the SparkNotes version, No Fear Shakespeare, version of Romeo and Juliet, and you will see it will bring you to Act 1, Scene 1, and you can actually, if you click on the table of contents, you can pick whatever scene that you are on here. Obviously, we're all starting on Act 1, all right? And you will notice that there are two columns, okay? The first column on this side is the original text. So this is Shakespeare's language as it was intended to be, okay, in the 1600s. And then you will go to the other side, and this is the modern text of how you and I would speak, but the very same lines, so the same, relatively the same meanings. So the first line of the play says, "Gregory, on my word, will not carry coals." And you might be thinking, what does that mean? Will not carry coals. I've never heard that before. So if you're unsure and need clarification, you go over to the other side and it says the same line but in a modern translation. So it says, "Gregory, I swear we can't let them humiliate us. We won't take their garbage." So that makes it a little more clear what Samson is talking about. All right? And this will be done through the entire play for you. So if you're having difficulty, okay, I really want you to try to read the original text, but only when you need clarification, refer to the modern text, okay, or the modern translation. All right? So when I instruct you to start reading Act 1, this is here for you. This is the resource that you can use. Also, there will be an audiobook that I'll post from YouTube that you can kind of put on to listen so that you have character voices. The next thing that I have posted for you is the Romeo and Juliet act chart, okay? And this is what you will complete your notes on. If you do not have a printer available, you can draw this out, okay? Or you can organize it however you would like, as long as you have plot, characters and character development, symbols and settings, and then finally, you have your themes at the bottom. So, as long as you're keeping track of all of these elements, okay, throughout each act, so you will complete, the expectation is that you will complete one chart for each act. Okay, there's 5 acts in the play, so you will have 5 charts done, okay? And this is what you will work on as you read each act, all right? And then when you come to watch, I will post a video after each act, so my own lesson on each act. So what's important, basically my own chart for these, and you can compare it to your own and maybe fill in some blanks that you had. All right, so I will give you a timeline for that starting in the next couple of days, and we will begin reading. And then the next thing that I've posted for you is something that you will find beneficial, which is, sorry, one second here. Okay, is a character list. All right, so this just goes over who everybody is in the play, because it can get a little confusing with so many names, so many different family members, so that you can keep track and refer to this sheet. You can put this in your notes or print it off, so that you're aware of who everybody is throughout the play. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to go over is just the YouTube videos or lessons. So again, I'm going to tell you tomorrow to start reading Act 1, okay, from the No Fear Shakespeare, all right? And then I will give you a timeline when Act 1 should be completed with your notes, and then I will post a video the next morning so that you can watch it and consolidate, and then you'll start reading the next act, all right? So there will be a lesson for you to follow up after the deadline for reading is done, and I will post a full schedule of that on during the next day or so, so that you're aware of what's coming, and even if you want to skip ahead to read, that's fine as well. The schedule for this week will be released. What I really want you to focus on is the opinion writing right now, and that opinion writing is due, well, right now it's Sunday, but when you post this it will be Monday. It is due tonight by 11:59 p.m. in the Dropbox, okay? So make sure you submit that. I've already gotten 5 or 6 of them, which is fantastic. They're all in MLA format, which is even better. You're making me happy. And it's showing me that you're taking initiative, which is awesome. This should be your priority right now, is the opinion writing, and then I will get you going on Romeo and Juliet, an introductory lesson tomorrow with an anticipation or interactivity, and then we'll begin reading. Anyways, good luck with your opinion writing. Again, please send me emails if you have any questions. I'm doing my very best to respond to them as quickly as I can, and have a great night.